Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to do text to speech on Adobe Express. So guys, open your here Adobe Express and click this option model, and for here guys, search bar, click on text to speech and install this option and click open one. As you can see here, click open. After that guys, what you have to do, just select your text from here. Select your text guys, and what you have to do that after that, click your text and write this text. As you can see here guys, go to the model option and click the text to speech, this option, and choose the creator or the text to speech voice. Here you have the languages guys, 125 voice over, and click play.
Hi, I can read any
As
text
you
you
can
type
see
here.
here, this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon guys.